Hey there, sitting on a stash of Chase Sapphire points. Redeeming them for travel through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal is where you can unlock tremendous value, especially for flights and hotels. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to redeem. Log into your Chase account, go to your Sapphire Card's Ultimate Rewards dashboard, and click Travel. You can book flights, hotels, rental cars, and experiences directly through the portal. If you have a Sapphire Reserve card, your points are worth 1.5 cents each. With Sapphire Preferred, they're worth 1.25 cents. Search for your trip, select your options, and choose to pay with points at checkout. My crucial pro tip: compare portal prices to transferring to partners. Often, even better value comes from transferring your points to airline partners like United or hotel partners like Hyatt. Check the price in the portal, then see how many points the same trip would cost if you transferred and booked directly. Go with the option that gives you more travel for fewer points. That's how you become a savvy points traveler and stretch your rewards further. What's your dream trip to book with points? Let me know in the comments. For more guides on maximizing travel rewards, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.